These are the lifts at the Lombard car park in Wellington. Does Schindler 3300 MRL Asian styles, but my god, have they seen better days. That's not even the correct button. It's been replaced with B1 button. Is going down. Tell you what, we'll take this back to the cab's quite nice though for a car park.
Floor 1. Door opening. Door closing. Elevator goes up.
Bloody button just went out there. Geez, these are not smooth at all. Maintained by Kone.
Floor 7. Door opening. Door closing.
Door open button doesn't even work. But the door close one does though. Here we are back down at ground or one, whatever you wish to call it. This outside call station has been replaced. There it goes. And that's it.